guys, welcome back to another video, another unboxing video. It's Jason here. We have a special package to go along with the other package that I had a while ago that I opened up. Don't know when that video is coming out. Still have problems with the internet. It's a bit spotty here and there. My living room is getting remodeled, so that's probably the reason why. Whenever that gets up, I'm gonna speed through all of the previous videos that I made, and then once you get to this video, it'll all make sense. Don't worry about it. It's gonna take time. Before we open the package today, I'm going to show you what I have on right now. So that way it makes sense when I say that the package I have right now is going to complete a set that I've been trying to get for a while now. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't think you guys can see. I got to angle down a little bit. So right now I have on some Spanish M09 Arid Desert Digital Camo, and alongside that I have a Russian belt. Simply just because it was the only thing I could keep my pants up. I didn't decide to go with the East German one because that one's a bit finicky to work with. The belt is a Russian VKBO combat belt. It goes with my Russian set. I pretty much have everything except for the boots. Just a little heads up, now that you know what I have on for the pants and why I have a tank top on, let's get right into it. So this is from Americana Pipedream. I haven't ordered anything from this website for a hot minute now. You guys are seeing it for the first time. For anyone who is just starting to subscribe to my channel, who have just started watching, Americana Pipedream is the first website where I've gotten around to buying military surplus. I've been doing it for a couple months now, and I've been building up my collection. I just ordered something else off of eBay. Don't know when that's coming in. It's probably gonna take a while because I left a very specific note as to what type of size I wanted and then some accessories to go along with said thing. You guys will find that out sooner or later whenever that happens to arrive, and how long I take to upload these other videos that have been sitting on my computer for well over a couple months now. This is Americana Pipedream. They are a military surplus store. Originally started out as an outdoor store. I've gotten to somewhat know the owner. We haven't really met face to face. I'm hoping one day that happens. The guy originally went to college for, I want to say, a history degree. He figured this wasn't the way to go, so he dropped out, started up his own company. The rest is history. So he's been doing pretty well ever since, and if you go on Americana Pipedream right now, you'll realize that store is starting to evolve. It's starting to grow into something big. You'll realize that there's a bigger variety than the last time I visited. You know, the first time I visited, there wasn't a whole lot going on in the military surplus section, but now that the owner is starting to turn a profit and he's able to grow the online store and the community as well, he's able to pull together, you know, more unique stuff, some stuff from all over the world, versus originally he can only do stuff from, like, you know, America and Europe. This time he's like, you know what, let's bring in some unique stuff, so that way we bring in the customers in and we retain the ones that we already have, hence me. So anyways, that's enough of my rant and the history of Americana Pipedream. Let's just open this package and let's see what's up. Now, if you guys didn't know, the last video that I made a mistake on opening this, it was my German Troppentarn field jacket. I'm pretty sure that video is up already. You guys can go watch that, but I accidentally cut into the actual jacket itself. For anyone who's new to the channel, I'm just gonna pat down the package and make sure that I'm not cutting anything I'm not supposed to. And it's hard because it looks like this one is relatively packed. I think what we're gonna do, the first couple of videos that I made a while back, well, they went perfectly, and then we got to the German Troppentarn one. I cut it to him by accident, and then I had to do a little DIY with some super glue because I don't know how to sew for the life of me. It's raining outside, it's thundering outside. It's been doing that for about a week and a half now. So if you guys hear any thunder in the background, that's probably the reason why. Summer is one of my least favorite seasons. Too much green, too hot, rains a lot. I mean, spring, it rains too, but there's a reason to the madness. Ah, the good old discount slip. I don't know if you guys can see it because my lighting is extremely awful and I need a new camera. That's the 5% discount for anyone who is interested in ordering anything off of ye old Americana Pipedream. And I want to see if there's anything else in here. There's also something else to go along with it. Yeah, a sticker. You haven't seen that baby in a hot minute. All that's done. We're gonna get right into the merch, the surplus, whatever you want to call it. My brain's kind of fried right now. I'm so tired. When am I not tired? We have, in order to complement the pants, a Spanish M09 Arid/Urban Digital Camo to go along with the pants. So as you can see here, it has a Spanish patch on here. Normally, when you get military surplus, the idea is that this entire thing will be quote unquote wiped clean, meaning that there aren't any unique patches on it. This time there is. That's pretty nice. I don't have to go on the internet and go buy a pair. I just need something for this and something for this. What are we gonna put on here? I have no idea. It's in a size large on the website. It's listed a little bit weird because it's in Spanish sizes. Whatever a large accumulates to is whatever the thing says on the website. And if you're unsure, apparently there's this little place on the site where you can actually figure out what the measurements are. So that's pretty neat. I don't use it because I just kind of wing it and that's too much work. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on. Actually, before I do that, I have to figure out if the cuffs are buttoned. That's usually a dilemma I have to deal with, and I've been dealing with for quite a while now. Okay, cuffs are buttoned. The patch is pretty neat. He wasn't lying when he said there'd be a Spanish patch on your M09 field jackets. That's nice. Saves me the effort from having to go onto eBay and having to search through the thousands upon thousands of options that I would have to sift through. That's too much work for me. I think these are for this little patch right here. Either that's supposed to go to hold the thing together, or alternatively, it's supposed to be like the Russian VKBO summer suit where you put your rank on here and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to figure that out later. Yeah, and you can see right here, this video is gonna be a little bit longer than I intended it to be. I'm gonna go about explaining a bunch of things. So right here it says Armada Española, official Spanish army stuff. Okay, this isn't like a cheap Chinese knockoff. I know China likes to replicate their camos from other countries. This is the real deal. This is from Spain. And to this day, the camo is still being used. So you're not seeing this go away anytime soon. I did order it in large and it looks like it's gonna fit. It smells a bit, which is pretty normal considering that it's probably been sitting in storage for a hot minute now, for a really long time. Especially if this is like one of the first uniforms that they've managed to make. The rest happen to be, you know, a bit newer. Maybe there's some updates and stuff like that. There was another one I was looking up on eBay before Americana Pipedream put this on the website. That was a good 80 bucks and I had to order from some guy off of the UK. Thank the man up in the sky that I didn't have to do that. I'm currently looking at some South African Soldier 2000 camo and stuff like that, and those tend to be super duper expensive because they're pretty rare and it's nigh impossible to get them out of South Africa. It's very similar to the Russian setup. I wonder if Russia got some influence from the Spanish uniform or if this is just a universal thing and I'm stupid. The Spanish M09 desert/urban digital camo field jacket. I just have to find some patches to put on. This one's already set, so I don't have to worry about that. But look at that. I got the setup complete and I'm sweating in this thing right now. So I got the pants on right now and I got the shirt. The rest of the customer base is gonna be super jealous because they're gonna be like, where'd you get the pants from? And I'm like, I got it off of a guy in Thailand. I give this a 10 out of 10. If it weren't for the stiffness, the upper part of the suit, I would give it a higher score. Yeah, it's a bit stiff. It's a lot like my Russian summer suit. It's not as stiff anymore because I put on a whole bunch of patches and it's kind of just like settled into position. That's the video for today. My computer's getting really hot and really slow, so I want to end it right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the field jacket. Also, the field pants too. I got these a while ago. The reason why I got this was because I figured, oh, this hit the website, there was a discount, and I just got the pants too. Complete the set, right? Now all I just need is the hat, if I can find that wherever. That we can worry about at a different time. I'm not too concerned about hats and stuff like that. I'm gonna stop rambling. That's the video. This is the unboxing. I have zero idea what number this is. It's a lot. I've made a lot of videos at this point. Don't forget to check out some of my earlier stuff. I put a lot of effort into it. After this whole unboxing thing, whenever I catch up to it, I'm gonna go back to creating some of the music videos and lyric videos. There's some particular ones that I want to be able to get to and show to you guys. Have a lovely day, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that's supposed to happen. And don't worry, I have a lot more stuff coming.